Now, the big question is, what does it mean for our digital infrastructure industry? How is this related to us? How our digital infrastructure industry can support different industry segments or all the industry segments? And what should I say? I think let's start getting into depth to this. AI usage from the digital infrastructure perspective means two areas in general. The one is the training side and the other one is the inference side. Training, data, compute, LLM, agents, millions of agents. And what I call it the AI in action, the inference side, this is the sexier part of it. As we heard also from the Nokia presentation, the shift started to happen from training to inferencing, and that is natural. Because why you train agents without sending them on the street, right? This is exactly the purpose of why models have been built and will be built in the future. So let me introduce to you the stakeholders we as DE-CIX see involved in these two scenarios. We see a couple of similar, of course, enterprises, institutions, organizations, they depend on both, on the training and the inferencing side. We do see ISPs, they're involved into both. Data center hyperscalers, more related to the training side, but also all the different type of, especially edge data centers, will get even deeper involved into inferencing. We heard latency sensitive, it has to be as close as possible where the users are. GPU as a service providers started to appear a lot. We just have cloud and application providers, carriers and submarine cables. The entire transmission technology that is involved is important to bring the data to the compute. On the inference side, we see a kind of a slightly different type of networks there, especially those that deliver the data as close as possible where the users, the manufacturing facilities are, the application action points are, especially talking about LEO satellite delivery of transmission. We do have the 5G advanced, 6G very soon, hopefully, and of course, different IoT providers, the robots, and all the other devices that are and will be controlled by AI inferencing. And what we as DE-CIX thought about is how to help these different stakeholders to be engaged into one community, and we came up with the idea of the AI exchange. I presented this 1 year back as a general concept. A couple of weeks ago, we shared more details what this does mean. And now, dear friends of AI and digital infrastructure, let's dive deeper into what we call DE-CIX. You see all the different stakeholders I already presented. We'll bring those into action and collaboration based on the two elements, the training and the inferencing side.